Today we're going to install the Gator Tailback on this 2019 new body style Ram 1500. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're going to set the cover up on top of the bed caps right behind the cab. This is exactly the way it comes out of the box. We're going to center it side to side and then unclip it. Make sure the clip straps are faced towards the cab. Next, we're going to fold it back towards the tailgate. And then at the back, center it side to side. Close the tailgate, also adjust it front to back, make sure it's centered there. You got ample coverage on top of the tailgate and on top of the bulkhead. Then we're going to slowly fold it back towards the cab of the truck. And next we can go underneath and set the front clamps. Okay, so here's the clamp that's going to be right behind the cab of the truck. It's very simple if you know how to use it. What we're going to do is drop it down. We're going to see it gets a little bit of resistance here. When it's down at a 90-degree angle, it won't slide side to side, so it has to be up beyond that in order to be able to slide over to the bed cap. Now what we need to do is make sure that this portion of the clamp is raised up to be even with the bed cap. So what I'm going to do is loosen up the clamp, drop down the jaw. Now I can bring this over and then raise this up to line up with the bed cap. So I'm just going to rotate this up the threaded shaft. And there we go. Once that's in place, I can take my claw, put it back up in place there. Take my threaded nut and then tighten that in position. What that does is that's actually going to clamp down onto the bed cap and then cinch it down just a little bit. We don't need to over tighten this, if you do it the wrong way, it won't tighten up properly. All right, so once it's made contact and is connected, do another 2 full turns. And it's nice and snugged up. Do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Now that we've folded the cover back to the tailgate, we can go ahead and pull the rear clamps out of their stored position. They're just going to drop down, pull it over to the bed cap, pull down, and hook in place. Do that on both sides. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.